Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS economist. Home prices have fallen in many markets across the U.S., but it's possible that prices have bottomed out here in the Mid-Atlantic. So what are three things that we're watching in this unusual spring housing market? Well, first, let's start with prices. The median home price in the Mid-Atlantic in May was $400,000. This is the highest sales price on record. It's a 0.3% increase over a year ago. And home prices are up in all regions across the Mid-Atlantic except the Washington, D.C. metro and the Del Mar coastal region, where prices dipped slightly in May. Second is inventory. The main reason that prices are stable or rising across the region is that inventory is still really low. Supply's been on the rise in most local markets, but we're working from such a deficit. At the end of May, there were about 28,500 active listings across the Mid-Atlantic. That's up 1.5% from a year ago, but it's still just 42% of the supply that we had back in 2019. Finally, we have to talk about mortgage rates. Rates hit an 8-month high back in May as the president and Congress debated whether or not to lift the debt ceiling, but rates have started to come down. And now we're not going to see mortgage rates back at 3% levels, but we should see them drop this summer, perhaps hitting 6% by the fall. There's potentially a group of shadow buyers who are waiting in the wings, watching for those rates to come down. Unfortunately, renewed buyer activity won't have an impact on transactions unless there's more inventory. Lower mortgage rates this summer could entice some homeowners to sell. However, it's likely it's going to continue to be a seller's market throughout the rest of 2023, with prices remaining firm and buyers still facing competition. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's May 2023 Housing Market Report on Bright MLS's website. You'll also find weekly and monthly reports for 9 regions across the Mid-Atlantic. And don't forget to register for our monthly housing market webinar. The next one is this Thursday, June 15th. See you next month.